What a wonderful world.
Hi everyone, my name is Mridul and welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we have a full house again. Every month that I don't post a video with my friends, the comments are flooded to make more videos with your friends. So here we are. We're going to be answering some assumptions. I have done 2 assumptions video, like just me. I'll link those in the description box below in case you guys are interested. But today we're going to be answering assumptions about like our friend group and also individually also. So on Instagram I posted this post and a lot of you guys had some really fun assumptions and some really wrong assumptions also. So we're going to be addressing those in today's video. So let's get started. Okay, ready, Sablao?
Ready.
Okay, so the first one is perfect. It says Siddhi is that person of the group who always cancels the plan or is not able to join because of work. So clearly, as you can see, she's not with us. So basically, as you can see, she's not here with us. That's because she's a frontline worker and she's busy, of course, because COVID. So which is why she's not like able to be with us a lot, but everything's fine. Too many assumptions regarding that. She's just busy and we're not as busy. So yeah. Okay, the next one is also a very obvious one, so let's just get it out of the way. It says Adya and Mayur are going to tie the knot pretty soon. You guys should answer it. I'm not gonna answer it. Bata. बताओ हमें भी सुनना है क्या है इसका आंसर.
Yes, we will. So yeah, hopefully this year we are getting engaged in April and should tie the knot by the end of this year.
And I'll vlog that. I'll vlog both the events. Yeah, so they are dating if you couldn't tell already. That was also another assumption. Next is there are 2 couples in your group. So we've actually addressed this once before, remember? So basically we had told you guys that there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 people in our group. 5 people in our group who are committed. अभी तुम लोगों को पता है 2 तो है, तो figure out who the 3 are. So that's all we're gonna answer for this assumption. So there were a lot of assumptions about my dating life. So I'm not gonna be answering any of those, but I can answer about other people's dating lives.
Wow.
So the next one was Jatin is dating Mansi Mau.
What?
He's not Jatin for his Mayank.
Oh yeah, he's Mayank. Okay, so ये काफी आता था, पता है? I think जब ही मानसी ने vlog भी post किया था ना, तब भी. I mean, I see how they could look cute together, but they're not. Please tell them that you're not.
We're not dating.
Yeah,
We're not due to.
ए मन में लड्डू फूटा.
Mansi ma, comment down below. Are you dating Mayur? Sorry यार. Mayank. Ready. और अभी है ना सब लोग आंसर करो. सिर्फ मैं ऐसा लग रहा है सिर्फ मैं बोल रही हूँ, तुम लोग आजू बाजू बैठ के मुझे देख रहे हो. ठीक है? So the next assumption is that Kashish, my cousin sister, is dating someone from our group. Anyway, I think I will only take this one also. Kashish is not dating anyone from my friend group yet. Let's
The
just say
important
that.
part is yet.
Let's just say that. Sorry, Kashish. Kashish is gonna kill me after watching this.
Kashish, comment down below.
Oh, one more. Okay, so this is something that we've been meaning to address for a while. So this one says Shikhar and Adya had something going on, and she also wrote that this is reference to that spicy Q&A something that we did. Remember?
The water.
Okay, I'll insert that clip here.
Never have I ever thought of dating my friend's sister.
So because of this clip, सबको लगा कि Shikhar was dating Adya because Adya is Aditya's sister. So that was the whole confusion. You guys address this.
But this is not true, and I've been wanting to clear this out for a while
Yes.
now.
Yeah.
So basically, Adi, Tirth, Jatin, Shikhar have been together since forever. Okay,
Yeah.
they played together. So these are all my kids. I've literally seen them grow. So how Adi is for me, exactly like that. That Tirth, Jatin and Shikhar are for me.
Mayur?
I am not dating any of them. These are my children, and I am dating this man over here.
And
Yeah, so
Yes.
basically she's not dating anyone or did
And
not
now,
have
yeah.
and did not have also anything going on with
Anybody.
Exactly.
I'm their Thai.
Yes.
Yeah, everyone calls her Thai.
And she is the elder sibling, I am the younger sibling.
Yeah, that was also another thing.
Yeah.
Everyone
Thanks, guys.
Thanks, क्या मैं elder लगता
Yeah, but then I look
She looks younger, na? That means.
Ajoba. Ajoba.
Okay, one more question regarding dating and hookup. Too many of those. Jatin and Shikhar are into hookups. आंसर करो तुम लोग, आंसर करो.
Not at
ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है, वो ये सब अफवाहें हैं, assumptions हैं and they're not true.
Okay, so basically to summarize, Jandan, I don't want to summarize. You guys have answered the question.
ऐसा कुछ नहीं
It's a clear no.
अच्छा, दूसरा एक और है कि शिखर इज अ प्ले बॉय. ये भी काफी फ्रीक्वेंटली आया था, तो बता पूरे कर लिया ना क्लैरिफाई. किसी और को करना है शिखर के लिए क्लैरिफाई?
नहीं उसको अच्छे से करने दो.
कर.
I am not a playboy. I am looking for something serious.
Yeah.
But then I guess everyone should vouch for that.
Yeah, no, we agree. I mean, I would say Shikhar is a ladies boy, so like sorry, ladies man. So he, like, there are lots of girls
Who come and talk to you.
who he attracts, but from as long as I know him, he's always wanted something serious.
Chick magnet.
ठीक है, तो शिखर प्लेबॉय नहीं है. That's partially true. Next is that Shikhar has a crush on Mridul. So it's getting a little monotonous. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pass my phone around and then everyone can read like random assumptions. ठीक है, आगे start.
Everyone in this group is scared of Mridul. It's true.
Scared? No, I'm not.
Intimidated.
I don't think May is also.
You're intimidated कुछ भी घंटा.
You never know.
तू?
मैं डरता हूँ भाई.
कुछ भी फेक लिटरली में बदनाम कर. मगर तो नहीं,
बदनाम क्या?
आदमी नहीं.
मैं डरता हूँ. ये भी डरता हूँ. शिखर तो डरता ही है.
चल next, moving on. पढ़ो.
Adya seems like Kareena from Jab We Met. Talkative AF.
That is true. I agree.
The most loved person of the group is Adi because he's very helpful and you all wouldn't be friends if Adi wasn't there. It's true.
Correct.
True. But Adi is the one who screenshotted this and added it in the list.
No, but I
Scam.
found this one only.
Scam 2021.
No, it's true. That is true. Because all of us are friends because of Adi.
And then I came in the group because of Adi.
Adi.
And you came because of me.
Because of you. Sadly.
Next one is actually not an assumption. I mean, maybe it could be. It says everyone has a specific favorite in the group. Adi,
Yeah.
आपका favorite कौन है?
My God, I can't decide.
छन से जो टूटे कोई सपना.
गजब बेइज्जती है.
This is my brother here.
दारू चाहिए.
Maddie, I love. These are my children. You
अपने
are
रूठे
also
पर आए.
कभी जब मैं अभी क्या है तो अभी.
But I thought you would say Mayur only.
Even I was like,
ऐसा मस्त हाथ डालने वाला था भाई.
क्या कर रहे हैं?
Mayur, who's your favorite?
भगवान.
Y'all are just making me feel bad about my answer. But
You should.
I will still stand by it.
तेरा कौन है favorite group में बता?
ये मैडी.
डरते हैं इसके लिए.
Such a
डरता है.
flicking answer.
तेरा favorite कौन है? बोला.
Maddie.
ये भी डरते हैं इसके.
ये फालतू
क्या फालतू का इतना अच्छा.
कितना डराती है
आदि तेरा?
उसको कोई पूछो मैडी आपका?
मेरा करंट फेव है
Current. Oh.
नानी.
Current favorite नानी रहता है.
मेरा नानी का नानी नानी is all time favorite. Next है that you try to dominate everyone. That is not true.
बराबर है.
It is not true.
डर रहे बच्चे
ठीक है.
मेरे.
If it is not true, how come all of us are wearing black?
But that's not dominating. I just like the video to be in sync.
चला चल.
उसके अलावा ये that you bully आदि ये भी एक था.
अरे करेक्ट है. बराबर है.
But it's true the other way around also.
नहीं.
Adu, it's true. He
I'm
also.
Maddie.
मैं सिर्फ सिद्धि को bully करता हूँ.
बस.
और मैडी
सब सिद्धि को bully करते हैं. और जतिन को भी.
मैं जतिन को करता हूँ.
जतिन को भी. Next. You were all in a relationship with each other in the past.
पागल है.
फ्रेंड समझ में लगा है.
I mean, kind of true.
What?
Up to your interpretation. You know what I mean, right? Everyone knows what I mean. You will never let anyone else come in the group now. मतलब जो already 8 लोग हैं, उसके अलावा और additions नहीं allowed है. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है।
किसी शादी वादी हो
सबकी आएगी ना
Exactly, सबकी गर्लफ्रेंड्स आएगी अभी तो। I mean, we'll do like a proper test. We won't allow anyone, but
अबे डर के कोई नहीं आएगा अभी तो
या फिर गर्लफ्रेंड्स ऑलरेडी ग्रुप पे हो
पर वीडियो में नहीं आई हो किसी की।
मतलब मैं अपनी बात कर रहा हूं। तो ऑलरेडी है ना ग्रुप पे ऐसे
अरे spice.
तूने चूज नहीं किया मेरे को
he's not gonna get over that anytime soon. हाँ, ये भी एक काफी तारीख सिद्धि is the one who's gonna get married after Mayur and Adya.
बराबर है।
Maybe.
Right assumption.
Probably not this year, but eventually I think she'll be the first one after Mayur and Adya for sure.
Correct.
और सिद्धि के बाद जतिन नहीं जतिन
ना जतिन
जतिन के बाद
अबे सिद्धि और जतिन के साथ नहीं रहेगा
This is not true, guys. कुछ भी Next है कि you bitch about one another to each other.
You're bitch
We
about
bitch
others.
about
Yes.
us. Even bitch about each other, but on Facebook.
Exactly, that's exactly what I was saying.
Technically not bitching actually.
हाँ insult each other on each other's face
बहुत
Faces. बहुत होता है, but also we do bitch about other people who are not a part. That's our favorite hobby.
You guys hang out every day. Almost every day.
Almost every day, I would
Not
say.
every day as such.
No, every like rarely not. Do we rarely not hang out?
Not
every day?
all, but most of them.
Most of them.
Most of the days.
7 में से 5 days तो पक्का.
और
कम
कोई
से
कोई
कम.
मिसिंग रहेगा but
हाँ.
other people meet
Okay, last assumption is that Mridul is gonna get married this year.
हमारे साथ
हमारे साथ.
बच्चा बच्चा रे
Next 4 साल तो मैं नहीं कर रही शादी, तो प्लीज मुझे पूछना मत कर दो.
what
What है?
हाँ
Yeah.
कल ही तो बोल रही थी
What liar.
अरे तो बोल रही
she
थी,
already
दोस्त
has a
शादी।
Pinterest board for everything
That I do have a Pinterest board, but so the video stopped recording. But to answer your assumption, no, I'm not getting married this year or next year or the year after that. Maybe the year after that. So yeah, I think that's it. Okay, I think that's it for today's video. It was a very chill, very relaxed, random video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this. Let us know if you want us to do some more. I know you guys are going to say yes already, but leave us with ideas more than saying do more videos. Ideas do hame because we are running a little bit low on ideas. So let us know in the comments down below, and जिसका भी page open है उसका link छोड़ दूंगी नीचे. सिर्फ इसका maybe इनका भी. तो yeah, that's it. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.